Okay, so today we're going to be unboxing the Dolce & Gabbana Daymasters. And I really like this model of shoe. I have I've had two other colorways. I have another black and white colorway, but these were a gift, so that's why this is a black and white colorway as well. But the first pair I had, they kind of got stolen from me. So I wore them once for my birthday in Miami last year, and then I remember putting them in a box and then never seeing them again after that. Took them home and never seen them again after that. But sorry not to start with my sob story. So let's get into the box. Dolce & Gabbana has really like loud packaging for their men's sneakers. It's funny because like when you look at their runway stuff, it's always so like, it always is so intricate and well designed, and then like at the same time when you look at like a lot of their accessories, like their sneakers and stuff like that, it's pretty like basic stuff. So that's odd. Okay, so first we got the dust bag. Their dust bag is pretty much bullshit, like just black canvas bag. They could have got wholesale or something with like a small Dolce & Gabbana tag on it. Nothing special, nothing special there. Then let me see something. Okay, so then got some paper, and then they come in like this little like canvas bag. That's cool. More paper. And what I do like is the inside of their box, like the black really like makes the shoe pop. So I think that's dope. These were a gift I got for my birthday. If you haven't watched it already, go watch my like birthday thing and then come back to this video, just so like I can give you like my initial reaction, opinion, etc. on the sneaker. But so this colorway right here, this isn't something I probably would have picked out for myself. One, because I already have a black and white colorway, and two, I feel like these are very loud. But you know, my sister, when she bought these for me, she probably was looking for something that was like everyday but still loud. But I'm not gonna lie, whenever somebody buys me shoes, I'm always grateful, because shoes are expensive, and you know, being a person who loves shoes, you just can't go wrong buying me shoes, because I love shoes. And I just wear so many, like, I wear so many different styles of shoes, pairs of shoes and stuff like that, so it's always fun for me to be able to like, you know, have more and more shoes. So I can let you know off the rip, this isn't my first pair, so I can let you know these aren't the most comfortable shoes. They're cut pretty small, and not only that, they're like really narrow in the toe box. So being as though they're so narrow, and I have like a pretty wide foot, I think that increases the uncomfortability, if that's the word. So they come like laced up pretty standard. And a lot of shoes, you know, I leave untied when I wear them, but these I would actually keep like tied like normal. It's just a cleaner look. Most of the shoes have like a back tab, almost like an Alexander McQueen, that will have the thing. Oh my God, I didn't realize this was being so washed out. But whatever the case is, ultimately, like, it's a really simple shoe. It's everyday. If I had to do a video on how to style this, like I can show you how I've worn previous ones. I've worn them with different things, like, you know, usually like a t-shirt and some jeans. One time I wore like a satin short set with it. It was like a paid for short set. It was a collaboration between me and my sister's brand. And ultimately, it was just really simple. But it was like it was almost like an Air Force. And you know, a lot of times I'll call a shoe an Air Force, and I'll usually call the shoe an Air Force for the specific reason that they're like an effortless wear, and you never want to like, you know, do too much with them. So, or well, with an Air Force you really can do a lot. With these, it's just like when you need that simple shoe because your outfit is already doing a lot, if that makes sense. So let's see, I'm trying to see what else I really want to say about the shoe, because I feel like I'm more opinionated when it's my initial reaction, and being as though this isn't my first pair, I'm a little more like, you know, quiet, mouse. So we got some paper stuff. Then what I can say I like about these is a lot of shoes that have like this type of design, they usually crease very easily. But these, they don't really crease that much. So that's something I truly can appreciate, because they're really, really firm. And I think that's almost what makes them kind of uncomfortable. Like you can already see how like tightly they are laced. Like it makes me not even want to really, you know, get to them. Let me turn this light down some so that way y'all could see it better. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. So on the tongue we got the size. What size are these? It doesn't really say what size these are. And the inside I just seen a 7. I think I tried them on. I don't know if I tried these on already. I might gotta try these on real quick, cause yeah. Okay, so we have Cashing On in the background, and we have me unlacing the sneakers now, trying to figure out how I'm gonna get my foot in these. So I said these was a 7. It says a 7, but I wear 8, and I don't really remember trying these on. So let me see. Trying these on now. I'm gonna bring the camera down so y'all can see my foot. Wait, how many got? I'm gonna put this back right here. Then we're gonna turn this down. I look nice. Good to know. Good to know. Alright, so let's see. We're gonna try these bad boys on. Oh. See, they're very tough to get on. They're very tough to get on. My sock barely fit in there. But, so I'm guessing like a 7 in these would be like a US 8. Kind of like how Gucci is. So, I mean, they fit really good actually. They fit really good. This actually feels comfortable. Like I don't know, maybe they ultimate. These are a little bit more new season. I pulled up some information on them so that I could give you guys some more information. So I'm gonna put the camera back on me. Okay. So let me give you some more information. So of course, you know, these are called the Daymasters. It says original price $719.47, and then it says they're on sale for $581.33. But it's a pretty nice discount. But I thought they were always in the $590 range. When I bought mine, I thought they were like $590. Unless in my head, I just thought they were $590. But they aren't. So basically says they're leather, rubber, and lambskin, and goat skin. They're made in Italy. I feel like I'm giving you some like BS descriptions. But don't blame me. Blame the website. As you can see, I'm out of breath from just putting the shoes on, so that should let you know how difficult they are to put on. But other than that, I would say they're really comfortable. Like I wouldn't wear like these with the outfit I have on now, but like you can see how like when it's such a simple shoe, minus the loud DMG on the side, you know. But being as though it's such a simple shoe, I feel like it's so easy to integrate into whatever outfit you have on. Cause like if I did have these on, I don't think it would make like a, well, I mean I wouldn't, but like you can see how it could. But you see how well they do pair with black pants, like, you know. So I'm really in love with the shoe. Ultimately, I would say if you could find these on sale, definitely get them on sale. I would never pay over $600 for these, because some shoes are very like temporary in the landscape. Like I have Rick Owens from 2015 that I still can wear. It's 2021. Whereas though Dolce & Gabbana, like they change their shoes so much from season to season, and they don't kind of build off of them. Like, okay, so Balenciaga, like they'll never make you feel like your old shoes are outdated, because they kind of build off of, you know, previous models. Whereas with Dolce & Gabbana, like they had the other shoes with like the really chunky sole, and I'm sure they still make them, but that shoe was horrible. That shoe was horribly uncomfortable. And that mixed with like just the history of the actual designers of the brand is just, it's just messy. It's just very messy. It's very messy. But you know, you can't control what people buy you. But you know me, I'm very vocal, so I had this. My first thing was that, you know, I kind of had to tell my sister like the type of people that they are and what they're known for. This was just like a little card. But like I say, I really find it odd that, and by the way, as I sit with them on, like all of this right here, I have like a really fat foot, but like all of this, like this area, like where the shoestrings are tied, it feels really tight, like almost like, because the shoe is kind of like narrow, like that. Let me take them back off so I can show you. Because the shoe is kind of like narrow right here, it kind of makes it feel like it's really tight on your foot. Like this whole area is really tight on your foot. Especially because, you know, as I stated already, I have like wide feet and my feet kind of have like a hump right here. So that hump sometimes interferes with everything else. But I don't want to keep you guys too long. I hope this video was informative. We talked about size, we talked about comfort, we talked about sizing, we talked about price. So that's pretty much everything I think that we need to touch bases on. If you enjoyed this video, you already know, like, comment, subscribe, all of that good. And stay untouchable. Godspeed.